and the airport is called the Bicol International Airport. And the other side there, you have one of the active volcanoes in the Philippines, that far there. I will tell you more about why I came here. So when you come to the airport, you will find this here place. It's called a bomb basket. I don't know if there's a bomb there. Welcome to Legazpi. I just want to tell you that Legazpi has a population of over a little bit 200,000. And in the Philippines, that population is not considered as high. Because in the Philippines, the density is very high. And Legazpi is one of the beautiful destinations that many people can visit. But at the same time, you may find a struggling communities. I was asking a guy, the driver who brought me here, I was asking him, and they said, why people here, you can find still some people who are poor. He told me that the land is owned by some people. And you know, the land is everything. By the way, this is a new airport, very beautiful. And it's called Bicol International Airport. But if you look on the top there, so the airport is built in a city called, I think it's called Daraga. But when you're here, the biggest city that is well known, it's called Legazpi. So, but Daraga is also well known, and all of them are in Albay. I think that's what they say, Albay, and it's kind of a province. And their main symbolic things they have is this volcano. It's called the Mayon volcano. When you talk about this area here, mostly people will hear about two places. We'll hear Legazpi and Daraga. And if you look behind me there, is the most attractive things that brought people here in this area, in Legazpi, Daraga area. And that is the Mayon volcano. It's one of still active volcanoes. And they say apparently when there is no cloud there, you can still see some smoke coming out of the volcano. There it is there. And all in all, let's go in the airport and see. So when you come to the airport, you will find this here place. It's called a bomb basket. I don't know if there was a bomb there or this was bomb. I'm not sure. And it's kind of rubber or something. I don't know. Looks like it's a tire, old tire of a tractor or something. It's a very cute airport that it's called international, but from my experience, it does have only two flights. One going to Manila and the other one going to Cebu. And both of them are operated separately by Cebu Pacific and Philippine Airlines. And is the one that we're boarding to go to Cebu. So, but it does have a couple of restaurants. And of course the famous Dunkin' Donut. And the good things is that the way the airport is just surrounded by the mountains, and on the other side there is the giant Mayon. This transparency, you have the concourse here, and the people are bringing the luggage. You can see them through these glasses. The plane is just there. So you have the plane the other side, and they bring them here, and you can see through the glasses, and then you got your luggage here in a car. Volcano. And when you see the airport, I think because it's new, it's clean. Even I entered in the restroom, you look the way. It's clean. There was a little bit of awkwardness drying your hand. The hand dryer is not kind of working well, but they provided tissues. And also, because it's hot, probably the air conditioning, there's an issue with that, so they use other air conditioning just to supplement the air in the airport. Like this one here, that one there, and then the airport, which is so beautiful. You look outside and it is small of the size, and it's just beautiful airport. And they have I think I know this place here. They sell stuff from Mayon volcano. Look how cute it is. Beautiful.
Thank you po. Careful, it's quite slippery. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Careful.
Good morning.
Good morning. For free? For free?
Yeah, for free.
For free, for free. Not for adobo? No. For free. Yeah, I got it for free. Thank you so much. Free umbrella. It's running. It's already packed. So, but we're using this small one here. Go to Cebu, Mactan. The propel one. Look how cute it is. Beautiful. I think it's made in Canada, I think. I saw the other one was made in Canada. Because of the propel. Really cute. You see? Yeah, that is a Canadian company that make this. A Bombardier.
Enjoyable and stress-free as possible. Allow us the privilege to be.
This is economy savers plane. And as I say, these planes are made in Canada, you see. They're made by Bombardier. So small but cute.
Your cabin crew proudly in front. The passengers seatbelt push guests together to tie tension with the strap to loosen tilt buckle and pulls and fasten this from buckle pull free and to release. If you're within front passenger.
Cabin crew, prepare for takeoff.
a smooth trip, and we're supposed to arrive 10:15, but we arrived a little bit earlier by 6 minutes. And despite of the turbulence, but this plane here did a good job. And all the flight, we were meeting a lot of faults. I think they did a really good job. So it's a cute plane made in Canada. They saw here. It's made by a company called Bombardier that I saw. Those are the crews there, ground crew. They're checking at the box there. I don't know if it's the black box or. Very beautiful and clean. The only part, it was one of the restaurants that doesn't have aircon, but the guy was telling me that they're fixing it. But let me show you around there.
Attention please for a gate change. Cebu Pacific Flight 172 will now...
Looks like I know him. He's from Texas? No? That was really good.
We are calling the attention for Cebu Pacific Airlines, Miss Juliana Rao, Miss Viola Balacanta, and Miss Gladys De Rosario to kindly approach us at gate number 9 immediately.
The phone is the hallway at gate 11. All other passengers are kindly requested to remain seated for the moment. Please have your boarding pass and ID or passport ready for inspection.
I knew it. You will not miss Dunkin' Donuts. They're there, everywhere.